We're on the record in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. We're recalling the case, cause number 328474, the state of Texas versus Kyler Jackson. Mr. Jackson, we have Mr. Jackson via telephone. Mr. Jackson, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Kyler Jackson, your case was set this morning at 9, and I think we finished at 9 a.m. and we finished up in court at or about 11:50 a.m. this morning. And we called the court bailiff called your name at or about 9 o'clock, and then he called your name again prior to this bond forfeiture. You called into the court and talked to our court coordinator, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what did you?
I called because this morning, my fiance, she got a wreck on the way to bring the kids to school, and that's our only means of transportation. And on top of that,
okay, now let me.
I cut off this morning, so I was trying to call people. I didn't have no data.
Okay, now let me ask you this here.
Hold on, sir. Judge is trying to speak to you. Hold on 1 second.
Now, Mr. Jackson, you told the court coordinator that you came to court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. I came up there. It was probably about an hour and a half ago. But
okay.
When I got up there,
hold on.
Anybody, so
okay.
I left. I went to pay my bill, and I started searching up your contact information.
Okay, Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson.
Yes, sir.
So you said you came up here about an hour and a half ago, so that was about 1 o'clock?
It had to be about 1 o'clock, maybe close to, like in between like 12:45 and 1.
Okay. 12:45.
I believe so.
Okay. So you came up here about 12:45 and 1. Let me ask you, did you get a call from your mom or somebody?
Say it again?
Now I'm just wondering, now it took you that long to get a ride up here?
Well, once we got everything situated with my wife and my son, a stranger actually brought me up there. Like,
okay, and so you called her.
I was like, man, I'm supposed to be recorded. I'm like, man, I didn't even know what time it was, because when she called me, it actually happened down the street from her house. So I just took out running down the street and met her right there by the Burger King on Feeling. That is Feeling. So, and when I got down there, I mean, man, it's really overwhelming, man. After everything happened, we got the car towed.
Okay, Mr. Collins, Mr. Jackson, just listen to my question. I mean, my question is just trying to get some information from you. Now, Mr. Collar, now it's been, I guess, the court's policy that we hadn't even did the bond forfeiture, right? Okay, so you made contact with the court prior to us doing your bond forfeiture. So your case is going to be, now you are, let's see, we're gonna give it.
It's a felony judge that's set for July the 12th.
No, I'm not gonna set it that far out. Because he was supposed to get an attorney. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset your case for 2 weeks.
Well, I actually have an attorney, Mr. James Page. I met with him on yesterday, and he talked. I was supposed to meet him up there, and he was supposed to tell you, like, he was going to represent me, I guess.
Well,
he told me he was going to take it all together, but I guess since I didn't show up, he didn't get to, discuss it. So, I mean, 2 weeks is cool, or next week, whatever, it's cool with me. But I already spoke with him, and he's supposed to.
Okay, yeah, we see that.
He actually has it written on this receipt. It says that will be the next time that we meet on July 12th, so he can.
Right, that's your.
Gonna get the cases
That's your felony case, but I'm saying on this here misdemeanor case, your case is gonna be reset in 2 weeks. If Mr. Paget is representing you, Mr. Paget knows what to do to notify the court that he is representing you. Okay, but until that happens, you're going to, your case is scheduled in 2 weeks. What's that date?
Okay, that's cool.
Hold on.
I'll get in touch with him here after we
What is it?
talk.
Okay, that your court date is June 18th of 2021. And stay in contact with your bondsman.
Okay, yeah, I actually talked to them first. I told them what happened. They told me to get to my lawyer.
You're right. Well, you don't have, in this case,
So I started searching your contact.
okay, well, in this case, you don't have a lawyer. You have a lawyer on your felony case, not in your misdemeanor case. So your case, as I said earlier, has been reset to June 18th of 2021. Make sure that you're here on time. This will conclude your case. Stay in contact with your bondsman, and you're excused and have a blessed day.